George D. Bodizat. George D. Bodizat was born on 7 June 1882 in St. Petersburg. Between 1905 and 1907, he was in an electrotechnical school. In 1914, he became the director of a polytechnical institute. In 1915, he brought down on the paper standard bombing tables for Air Force. In 1916, he promoted to the chief of the airfield in St. Petersburg. In 1918, he joined the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics. He was hired to build a helicopter in 1021 by the US Army. With US Army organization, he invented a machine called the Quadrator, which is then known by D. Bodizat helicopter. He flew a flying machine in 1922, which was the great achievement in the history of aeronautics, though it flew at low altitudes. In 1926, he owned his company of manufacturing industrial fans. In 1936, he got back to the Albert Einstein's relativity theory. After some contribution to the field of physics, he returned to the helicopters in 1938 and died on 1st February 1940. George Eastman. George Eastman was born on 12 July 1854 at Waterville in New York, USA. He was an American modernizer and industrialist who founded the Eastman Kodak Company and made up roll film, serving to get photography to the mainstream. In 1888, roll film was also the source for the creation of motion picture film by the world's earliest filmmakers, Edward Muybridge and Louis Le Prince, and shortly by their supporters Leon Boley, Thomas Edison, the Lumiere brothers, and Georges Méliès. He was chief patron who established the Eastman School of Music and Schools of Dentistry and Drugs at the University of Rochester. In addition, he provided money for clinics in London and further European cities to serve up low-earning residents. The George Eastman House at this time operated as the International Museum of Photography and Film, has been nominated a National Historic Landmark. On 14th March 1932, at the age of 77, he committed suicide. George Harry Hilmier. George Harry Hilmier was born on 22nd May 1936 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He was an American engineer and entrepreneur who was a revolutionary contributor to liquid crystal display. Hilmier joined RCA Laboratories in 1958 in Princeton, New Jersey. In those laboratories, he worked on so many things like parametric enlargement, tunnel diode down converters, millimeter wave generation, ferroelectric thin film devices, organic semiconductors, and electro-optic effects in molecular and liquid crystals. He revealed a number of new electro-optic effects in liquid crystals in 1964 that led to the earliest running liquid crystal displays based on what he called the dynamic scattering mode. Helmier has received several awards till today, holds 15 patents, and he is a member of the several organizations like National Academy of Engineering, the Defense Science Board, and the National Security Agency Advisory Board. In 2012, the latest award that he received is Charles Stark Draper Prize by National Academy of Engineering. Georgy Beriev. Georgy Beriev established the Soviet Union Beriev Style Agency in the Taganrog that focused on amphibious craft. Of cultural Georgian beginning, his antecedents unsure, and it's not glorious once his name was Russified to Beriev from Beriashvili. After receiving an academic degree upon completion of studies through railway school within Tbilisi, then he went to the School of the Shipbuilding Engineering plus calibrated with engineering degree. Georgy Beriev worked as aircraft architect in the Central Design Agency, where he originated Beriev MBR-2 seaplane. Through October 1934 to 1968, he campaigned Central Design Agency for marine craft in the Taganrog. At that place, he developed number of successful plus radically distinctive amphibious craft designs. During 1947, he was granted Stalin Prize for his function on BE-6. Also, he was twice granted Order of Lenin plus 2 times Order of Red Banner of the Labour. He was granted with USSR State Prize in 1968 for the design of the BE-12.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.